Ganyan ang tawag yan eh.
Jo, sige maligo na, Jo.
Just kidding.
At pala na.
No. I'm still playing.
Naghihintay nga kay
I'm
Do.
gonna cook now, okay?
Maligo na.
This is my kitchen now.
Halika na, tabulong
Don't
ka
I'm
na,
cooking
ka.
now, okay?
Wait. Nope. We're moving. Move.
Where are we going?
Where are you moving?
No, I want to cook now.
Wait, you said how to wait. Wait, Charlie.
Where you going? Oh, you're moving the store?
Right here.
Ni, nag-move na ni.
Moving na yung restaurant.
Oo, Julene. Look. Galit na yung tindera. Ayan. Why?
Where's me? Bye.
Pa- 5-5. Ano sabi mo, anak? Juliana, what you say? Naks, sana all. But you really. Where you going, Juliana? Trabaho pa more.
Where are you going?
Oo nga, best in the world.
I'm cooked. I never did be cooked.
Julene, go with grandma now.
I'm in the shower now. Bye.
Okay, fix first. Oh, put it this one. You don't want to cook your gloves. Oh.
I'm ready tonight.
Jade. Oo. Why, Dad, can you hold this one down? Jade, can you hold this garbage, anak? Uni, wala na. Garbage, anak.
You and me, always, and forever. Where do you think they are?
Where are you getting all the gifts? Daddy just put it away. The gifts.
Oh, you can't do gift.
No, she's making it like a table.
We're gonna pick everything up.
We have a visitor tomorrow. Yeah, you want a visitor? Okay.